Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. Today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can unlock Snapchat account. So if you're seeing a message on Snapchat that says your account has been locked for violating community guidelines, don't panic. In this video I'll show you how you can unlock it step by step. So let's just get started. First, why Snapchat account why Snapchat locks your account? Maybe you are using a third-party apps or plugins, or maybe you are sending spam or getting reported too much, or adding too many people in a short time, or maybe you post something violating community guidelines such as nudity, harassment, and others. Or Snapchat may also found age or fake identity issues. So Snapchat can lock accounts for different reasons and it's not always permanent. And let me show you how you can unlock it. First, you need to go to the official unlock page on Snapchat. You can go to this page right here, accounts. .snapchat.com/account/unlock, this page right here. And then once you enter the page, you need to log in with your Snapchat username and password. Just wait until it's fully loaded. As you guys can see, you'll be asked to log in with your username or email. And if your account is eligible, you can just click on unlock. But if it says your account is permanently locked, you might have violated major guidelines or used third-party apps. So if you are still locked, you can try this. You need to delete the third-party apps like Snapchat Plus Plus, Scotchman, or others. And then you can also try to do clean reset. You need to uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. So you can just long press on Snapchat, click on the trash icon, and just uninstall it. And you can go back to the Play Store or App Store and reinstall the app. Or you can also try to clear the device cache by going to the app settings and storage and then clear the cache. Or you can also contact the Snapchat support directly, and you choose to I can access my account and my account is locked, and then you can just fill in some form and wait for their feedback. So make sure you explain your issue clearly and be honest. If you made a mistake, admit it and promise not to repeat it. So that's pretty much all. I hope this helped you unlock your Snapchat account. If it worked, drop a comment below and let others know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one. Bye.